Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Swedish military bad boy.
Depths of the Swedish forest.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Nice. It is 1975 Volvo C303.
Oh, is it a Volvo, yeah?
Yep. Or as they say in Sweden, terrängbil 11. Used by the military. Bulletproof Volvo motor, 6-cylinder. Got diff locks, they've got everything here, mate.
How long has this one been out of service for then?
It's been out for a while. I think they sold them off in the military in the late 90s.
Right. It'd be interesting to see what the Swedish ever used this thing for though, because there'd be some peacekeeping force somewhere, I guess.
Yeah, but I think these are so very, very collectible and usable. I mean, you could, in the back here, you could make it a really good camper conversion on this. Yeah, be perfect.
Well, you said it was a 6-cylinder as well, yeah?
Yeah, 6-cylinder.
I mean, it's a Volvo 6-cylinder. Volvo are not very famed for their 6s, are they? You know, they're mainly famed for their 5s, actually. But I guess they've got a few 6 turbos knocking around in a few SUVs, but they weren't that popular in Sweden, were they?
No, I mean, 6-cylinder motor was the same as it was in the Volvo 164s, and yeah, it was around for a while.
Okay.
It's a bullet. I mean, it's another one of those bulletproof Volvo engines.
Yeah. I mean, when I went to Thailand, all of those little boats that they had you scooting between islands and island, they all had Volvo motors.
Oh, yeah.
It's incredible.
I mean, they're just built to last and easy to fix.
So, any history on this vehicle though? I mean, how did this one arrive?
It's a guy in Borås who collects military stuff.
Okay.
And he's got a few of these, so he decided, probably a good idea to sell one now. So, right, let's have a bit of a hill climb now. Go anywhere.
That's great, isn't it?
You still want to meet anyone walking their dog down here?
I mean, this is a 1975 model, yeah?
Yeah.
It's still got a lot of juice left in it, hasn't it?
Okay. I mean, this is like a good alternative to a really good alternative to a Glendewagen or a Glendewagen or a Land Rover.
Okay. Fantastic.
Get a lot of funny looks to these people. People walking their dog and say, "Why? What are you doing?" You just say, "It's okay with the military." Yeah. So.
How many gears has this thing got?
It's got 4, but then you got high and low as well. And you've got this differentials here. You can lock them front or back. Diff lock.
Yeah. But you know, it's so high up in the air as well. There's not much chance of this getting stuck anywhere, is there?
No, it's pretty slim chances. I mean, it still drives well. Strong gearbox, good engine, and it's coming up for auction again. Another one in March.
All right, great.
So,
any kind of guide price on this thing, or
around 80 to 100,000 Swedish, I guess, something around that. 8, 9 to 10,000 euros.
right.
And this one's ready to go on the road. So, as we're going to do now, we go off-roading and then we go straight back onto the tarmac.
I mean, what's the situation with getting this thing taxed? Or
Well, this is all ready to go. This is road prepared.
okay,
So you can drive this car anywhere, just like a normal car, which is hard sometimes to get them to be ready for road use. So this makes this one a bit special.
right. Is it like a massive process getting these things road ready?
No, not really. Not considering that they've been used by the military. They've been used on the road anyway. So. Just gonna have a look at our flooding situation. Yesterday we were in the lake was about to spill over.
I'm surprised this thing's got a lot of juice, mate. Seriously, dude.
Oh yeah, I mean that engine is.
The gearbox feels pretty strong on it as well.
Yeah, and it's relatively. I mean, it's pretty easy to drive. I mean, it's not like not hard work changing gears, and steering's okay. I mean, of course you've got no power steering or anything like that, but I mean, it works fine, easy, pretty nippy. It probably does like 60, 70 kilometers an hour. Give it some beats.
I mean, do you know anyone that's done a conversion of one of these things into like a camper van or anything like that?
Yeah, I've seen them being done in Germany. People have converted it so you have like like a proper camper van, kitchen and shower and everything. But I mean, in theory, it's a bit more practical than a Land Rover in one way, because you've got a lot of space in the back and it's covered as well. So I mean, this is a perfect car if you're a collector of military stuff. But I mean, if you're looking for something a bit different, and something like be a great advertisement car. If you kept it the same colour or you resprayed it, there's a few bits and bobs on it. But then a really nice advertising or reklam car, as they say in Swedish, or reklambil.
Like I said, in the Swedish winter time as well, mate, it'd be pretty useful as well. Certain winter months.
Yeah. Water level.
All the links for the auction you can find in the description. And please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. We've got big plans for the channel, and summer is just around the corner, and we've got some good stuff in store for you guys then. So hope to see you all again soon for some more Cars of Sweden live.